Ladies and gentlemen, you're all very welcome to Dublin Airport, where the local time is just coming up to 5 minutes to 5. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has arrived on stand and the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please ensure you have all your personal belongings with you. Remember to check the overhead lockers at the seat pocket in front of you, and please take care when opening the overhead lockers in case anything should fall out and cause injury to you and other guests. On behalf of Captain Brian Dunn and the rest of the crew, thank you for choosing to fly with Aer Lingus in conjunction with AS Airlines this evening. We hope you've enjoyed your flight and we look forward to welcoming you on board again soon. Don't forget to check out our website at airlingus.com for the cheapest fares and great deals on hotels, travel insurance and car hire. Guruk Magat Cordia Free Hostel in Slán agus Bannon. Goodbye and a safe onwards journey to all.